All right, I have a good news for you. So, Anthropic is providing up to $50,000 in cloud as credits over 6 months. So, we have a deadline for this. So, this is all about the AI for science rare disease research grants. There's a deadline. So, if you're into want in the science and medical, if you want to do some um, analytics kind of thing, so this is the um, time. So we have a deadline that before 2nd August 2026 we got to submit this. So here is the form. Let's click on it. It will open a Google form basically, kind of. So here is the form. We need to fill out these basic details. There are 5 steps. So let me quickly fill out this basic details for it. All right, once done, we'll get this message. Thank you for your interest in our API and for taking time to submit an application. So we got to wait and we'll be getting we will the evaluation will be submitted on the first Monday of each month. So every details is there. There's a high volume of applications. So we got to have patience. If we get selected, it's mentioned application is approved. You'll be notified promptly after the monthly evaluation, right? So that's what is all about. Please do share this video with your friends or colleagues who are interested in this program and want to help the rare disease or the medical community. Thank you so much. Let's meet in our next video.